Hi everyone! I have a haul from Coco Daisy, and the idiot that I am, I ended up having to place two separate orders because I thought this was in my cart when I made the purchase, but I did not. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's see what we got here. I want to try to save this sticker to put in my planner. Let yourself bloom where you are. Oh, pen test, stamp test. Oh, I love that. Ooh, it's kind of damp because it's been raining here in San Diego. Okay, so I got two kits here, and then the other parts, it's here. And this is for the Inklings. Oh, I love that. Start with this. So here are the two cards that I have. I got their limited edition stamp. This is the Foodie stamp set by Paisley Press. I love her stamps. But it says here it's limited edition. That's all I know. Favorite order, drink, meal, menu, eat, savor, repeat. We ate here, food. Oh, memorable bites, the perfect combo, happiness in a bowl. That's me. French fries, burger, foodie, good friends plus good food, feeding my soul. I feel like she has that in another stamp set. Craving satisfied. Oh, boba tea. I just had one today. Yum, one more bite, good eats, too good to share, plating perfection, and foodie adventures. So this is the limited edition for the food. I also got, they say this is limited edition too. This is the general store number set because I'm using the Hemlock and Oak B5. These are going to be very helpful there. Then this one is also a limited edition. This one is the 15th anniversary of Coco Daisy coffee stamp set by Paisley Press. I love everything coffee. Brew, hot ice, cold brew, cream, sugar, decaf, no decaf, coffee in hand, sip, savor, repeat, French press, iced coffee. Coffee is always a good idea. Daily cup, mugshot. That'd be funny with a picture of my face. My favorite drink order, the perfect cup, French press. Oh, I can't remember the name of that now. Daily essentials, brewing notes, morning brew, no talking before coffee, caffeine mode on, but first coffee. Love that. And this is also a limited edition. This is the 15th anniversary Celebrate stamp set by In a Creative Bubble. Oh, I love her stamps too. They both used to create for Studio Calico, and that's how I got introduced to them. Happy times, celebrate, party time, yay, make a wish, birthday, anniversary, graduation, achievement, milestone, blank, cheers, let's celebrate, cake, champagne, disco ball, heart, graduation, party poppers, star, flower, celebrating, and then a tag. Oh, I love that. A kitty cat and a puppy, cake, flower, congrats, happy birthday, the big day, feeling, blank, 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 stars, a special treat. Oh my gosh, I love that. So when you write, you pause time. Each note becomes a part of your story. Oh, I love that. Pen test. Oh, that's different than this one. Okay, this has like a texture on it, and these do not. Oh my gosh, I love these. So these were a couple of items that were on clearance that I went ahead and decided to get. I got a thin gray washi. Now I love this because in my documenting, whether I'm doing Project Life or in my planner, if there's something personal or someone's name that I don't want to say, then I will put this over it. I have a bigger or wider black one, but I thought this charcoal one would be good too. Then I got these, what is this, watercolor swatches. Oh, these are made in Canada. Love that. And then for the Inklings, there was hardly anything left. So this is what I got. I just got two rub-ons, but I love these paint splotches, the fountain pen inks, the paint brushes, scissors, Life Right Now, Living a Colorful Life, February in Pictures, just my type, documented. Oh, I love these. So glad I got two of them. I said notify me in a bunch of their kits, but by the time I got to my computer to add it to my cart, everything was already sold out. So this is all I have for February. So this is Where the Breeze Begins. I got the journaling kit. This is what I was able to get my hands on. Okay, so the journaling kit comes with this washi, let me open this up. I love like this moss green, olive green color. Okay, it says appointments, to-do list plans, days of the week, weekend, appointment. Okay, so it repeats itself right there. I'll open this one too. So that's the gray washi. Okay, let your thoughts bloom where joy is planted. This is so pretty. When it comes with journaling prompts, what small signs remind you that winter is finally ending? How does that idea of new beginnings feel to you right now? List 3 things you're looking forward to this spring. Write about recent moment that made you quietly happy. What do you want to leave behind with the cold months? Describe a place or memory that feels like sunshine after a long gray day. What's beginning to grow within you or around you? How can you invite more light or warmth into your days? What brings you peace when life still feels like winter? And what does hope look like in this season of change? Here are the journaling stickers. Okay, these are on washi paper, mentally somewhere with less wind and more snacks. And of course, I love all of these watercolor things. Spring is around the corner, welcoming longer days, trying not to try so hard. Every window tells a story. You don't have to soar to be moving forward. Love that with all the washi down here. Then these are also washi stickers. It has the days of the week. Look at all these little birds. I'm afraid of birds. I just think they carry so many germs, and I like that it has these numbers and the days of the week and some labels. Oh, this is a full sheet of one washi. Yeah, of just the stripes. I really wanted this in the Inklings kit. Yeah, really bad. And then this is the full sheet of washi with the flowers and then the stripes down here. So you can cut these up or use these. I don't know how I'm going to use them yet. I may just rip them and use them as in my planner. And then these are the journaling kit stickers. Oh, I love these. These are on washi too. I love this house. I'm a homebody. Look at that. Hot air balloon. So pretty. Tickets. And then these washi stickers. And these are different than the washi on these stickers. That's good. And then, oh, one of my favorite colors, this like moss green, avocado green. So alphas and numbers there. So that is the journaling kit. Okay, next, this is, just a sheet of rub-ons for March. Appointments, dated, important, remember, self-care, St. Patrick's Day, to-do list, first day of spring, and don't forget. With all these rub-ons. How fun! I love these houses. Things I need to remember. Balloons. So fun. Okay, these are rub-ons as well. It's got the days of the week, goals, trackers, house, umbrella, and it's raining like crazy here in San Diego. Oh, I love these rub-ons. Oh, so fun. Let's go into the memory keeping sticker kit. And I love that these are like on washi or flat because I am using the hemlock and oak. This is on washi sticker paper as well. Just winging it, just winging, unfolding, letting go, comfort, drifting from flying. And then these are on washi paper as well. Take a deep breath. Oh my gosh. I think I need everything, all the kits. It could be worse. I always say that. When my kids are really upset, I said, but did you die? No. A cloudy day is no match for a sunny disposition. Each day a little more light finds its way in. And then of course I love these watercolor like swatches on washi paper. And then here are the boxes. So fun. And then washi. This is on white sticker paper. And these labels. This is on white sticker paper as well. I love all these like little journaling bits. Mood. Okay, this is on white sticker paper too. I like all these numbers and little word stickers. And then like these washi type of stickers. This is on white sticker paper too. Oh, I love that. The gondola. Love these houses. Birdhouse. Cute. With all these birds. A mouse. Another mouse. Looks like the car is tooting. This alpha. It's similar to this alpha, but so different because this is on washi paper and this is like distressed and this is not. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. I feel like I need all the kits. Not good, not good. Okay, and then the last thing I got from them is the Daisy add-on stickers. This is on washi paper. Oh, I love this. Just hanging out waiting for spring. That's my dog. Doing my best-ish. Every cloud has a silver lining. Cue the sunshine. Hibernation goodbye. That's me. Let yourself be carried not by plans or perfection, but by trust in where you are going next. Oh, and you know what? These washi strips are different. Oh, some of them are the same here, but this is on white sticker paper and this is on washi paper. Yeah, they're all a little bit different. Okay. Okay, this is on white sticker paper. Another gondola. I love these porcupines. Mouse. It's holding its own tail. Look at that snail. And then these word stickers. My mood changes faster than March weather. That's funny. This is on white sticker paper too. Oh, I love these swatches. I just want to buy a bunch of these swatches on like washi paper. Oh, this is a blue sticker, Alpha. Okay, and this is on white sticker paper. Okay, that's the washi. Okay, that's everything. Oh my gosh, I got so much. But I really wanted stuff from the Inkling kit. Ugh, I wish. Okay, so there's my haul from Coco Daisy. What do you guys think? Oh, I just want more of the Inklings. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Be on the lookout for me using these in my Hobonichi and my Hemlock and Oak. And I'll see you next time.